So where are we headed?
We're going to Murphy, North Carolina to get a gravity trail.
We wasn't videotaping a while ago, but when we first got in the truck. But the one thing that we've always done, and we've taught our boys, and they still do it, is we always get in the vehicle and we always pray before we leave on the trip. And so that's just the way we like to start our trips off. Well, we see the Golden Arches, and that's where we're headed for breakfast this morning. Something big and fancy. That's what we are, big and fancy. Country folk, ain't we, Randy? What you gonna get?
Egg muffins, no cheese.
And of course, coffee, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'll get my sausage. I brought some rolls that I made, so that's what I'm gonna have. We made it. We're here. We fixing to. Randy's calling the man, and we're gonna pick up a piece of farm equipment, and hopefully it won't be too long. This is where we headed. Got a log place there. Look at the mountains, and that's so pretty. This is their home, and they farmed it. They've retired a little bit, so they want to travel a little bit. And it's funny, I have to tell you the story about the trailer later. Got to do some backing, but the good thing is that's what he does for a living. I'm sorry, I got an advertisement for my little business, happyhomestore65.com, on the back of the windshield, and so you can't see out too good. So. And then I'm filming on top of that. So. Here. Beautiful view. That's the sign he was complaining about. Makes it hard to see out the back of the windshield.
So that's amazing how they can take that and put the logs in there and chew them up, chip them out. All they do is chip them.
Quite noisy though, ain't it?
Yes, it is.
So they make wood chips there?
Yep.
The other day we were, well, it's been the other day, it's been probably a little over a month ago, we were headed up to Tennessee to get one of these. And so we decided to take the long way home. And so we came through Murfreesboro, Tennessee, North Carolina. And we had spent the night and come out of the hotel, and Randy made the wrong turn. So he ended up having to turn around. Well, this guy seen us coming out the hotel, and they turned around, followed us. And then when we turned around, they had to turn around too. And then they caught up with us and told us they had one for sale. So that's how we found this one. But I thought it's kind of funny. You get tagged down on the road to buy a piece of equipment. So we stopped by and they got an old car. Isn't it pretty? And that's a motorcycle I don't have now. Well, I'm not really into motorcycles, but that is a motorcycle I don't have. It's called Big. But I really like that. Is that a Model T? I don't know. What is that? A Model A? What kind of vehicle is that? Is that a Model T or a Model A? Or I don't know the difference. I just know it's old. Okay. Somebody had fun making that.
$9.50.
That barn is so pretty.
That is pretty.
It is. And I don't know if I can do it justice because our windshield is dirty. But it is pretty. Oh, look at this one. I need to paint my barn red. Put something pretty on it. What if they took a piece of tin and made their own? That's a good idea. A piece of tin to make a flag, because I love flags. Run right in there and see if what Ronnie's is, if it's even open.
Okay.
It's not much of a shopping center.
No, but it's
Hopefully it's got parking. If Ronnie's is open, that's good because we got a lot of parking we can park. That's a big parking lot for us to park this big old truck rig. Sorry about the mirror, y'all. It's just a big mirror.
It says open.
Well, they have chicken wings and they have burgers and they have steaks, and so we're gonna go in and see what they got. And we'll be back. Well. I have to tell you, we went to Ronnie's, but that's not the place for us. Oh my. How did you like that experience?
It was 2 trips in one.
Yeah.
We didn't even get it. I didn't even get in all the way on the door.
I went in the door, walked in and there was a pool table and a man looking at me and looked around, and it wasn't really something we would go to, so it's not what we consider a family restaurant. So we're gonna go look for something else. There's McDonald's again, but we're not going there this time. You know, when you go off a little bit, you want a little bit of something that you wouldn't have at home. And we had McDonald's for breakfast. I like Big Macs though. There's a Kobe's Grill. There doesn't seem to be a lot open here. It is open. That's fine. I mean, might not be the healthiest choices, but hey, I'll do what I can do. So where do we decide to eat?
Kobe's Grill. Kobe Grill, Japanese restaurant, Bachi and Sushi.
This is where there wasn't much to pick from. And we'll go to Murphy, do we? But although Murphy does have a good, it's called Brothers Restaurant. We went last time at Tintin. They have a really good one. got some pretty flowers here. We in Bryson, North Carolina. And I just forgot to take pictures. I was trying to find, there used to be a log cabin furniture place around here, and I was trying to find, but they closed up. Oh well. So we're gonna go down the street. Oh my goodness, he's Scary Terry. Boy, making pretty good time over there. Walking, ain't he?
Yes, he is.
Well, we got to stop for traffic lights. He don't have to stop for traffic lights. That makes a difference.
Yep, he's still walking though.
Yep. Go at it, fella. Knock it out. This is where you can catch the train, right? The ride.
Yeah.
This is where Andrew and Leah brought the kids last weekend to ride. And they were so happy with it, they wanted to ride some more. It used to be in here. I think it was in one of those stores, it used to be. But it's closed up. So this is just some, sorry about that. Beep, beep, beep. The car, you better go. Well, we can't park anywhere and walk anywhere because there's no parking for this big old thing. And if we did park, it would be 100 million miles from where we wanted to go. So, I don't particularly care for walking at 190-degree weather. So,
It ain't but 87.
87. It's 30 degrees from being 90. Round it off. It's 90. Ooh. You hear that boop? That's what I have to deal with. It runs off the road a little bit, and it's a little bit of scariness, but that's okay.